magaganda at mga gwapo o gwapa. Welcome sa ating channel. Ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin ang another skincare review from Fresh Philippines pa rin. Halos hindi ko pa maubos nga yung pinadala nila, but I have to review this product kasi napakaganda. Hindi dapat ito nasa tabi lang at hindi nyo malalaman ang ganda ng product na ito. So, dapat ko talagang i-share kung ano ang naging effect sa aking skin while I am using this skin foam wash. Without further delay, let's talk! As you can see sa aking background, super dami na pinadala sa akin ng Fresh Philippines. And yung shampoo at conditioner nandun pa sa bathroom, kaya hindi ko na nilagay dito. But most of them ay na-share ko na sa inyo ang reviews. So this time, ang hindi ko palang na-share is the Jejualoeice 3-in-1 Niacinamide Dark Spot Foam Wash. This is 100 ml. Ito ay made in Korea. Magsimula tayo sa packaging niya. Ito ang kanyang back part and this is the front. As you can see, super konti na lang kasi ginamit ko nga siya almost 1 month na ginamit ko itong foam wash na ito. It claims to fade dark spots, minimizes pores, protects skin from free radicals. It has B3, B5, B6, and vitamin in it. It has Thera Cool Complex cooling effect pag i-rinse natin sa ating mukha. Nagpatulong ako kay Google kung ano ang B3, B5, B6, and vitamin E. B3 is niacin, B5 is pantothenic acid, B6 is pyridoxine. B3, B5, and B6 are essential for healthy skin. Niacinamide is good for treating acne. Vitamin E is an anti-inflammatory agent for our skin. It aids in protecting our skin from radicals. It's a powerful antioxidant for damaging cells. That is the work of the vitamin E na meron dito sa ating foam wash. What is this Jejualoeice 3-in-1 Niacinamide Dark Spot Foam Wash? This aloe vera infused foam wash is made with Thera Cool Complex, a special cooling formula enriched with niacinamide and vitamins B3, B5, and 6, also vitamin E. Each wash gently cleanses and decongests pores, leaving your skin moisturized and oil-free. How to use: squeeze an ample amount on your palm, form a lather, and gently massage on your face and neck in circular motion. Rinse well and lightly pat your face dry. Caution: for external use only. Keep out of children's reach. Not to be used for children under 3 years old of age. Avoid contact with eyes. Ang product na ito ay distributed here in the Philippines by Healthy Innovation Distribution Incorporated. Ito ang itsura niya. The smell is like of an aloe vera. So gentle, lightweight. It's a little foamy and magiging ganito ang kanyang appearance sa skin mo as you lather it. So here are my thoughts. So the claim is it lightens dark spots. Hindi ko masyado makikita ang it lightens dark spots kasi wala naman akong naging pimples pag gamit ko nito kasi nga meron siyang niacinamide which is treating acne. For its claim of reducing appearance of pores, check because hindi nga ako nagka-pimples. The Thera Cool Complex, check because meron siyang cooling effect, really may panlathering on your skin. Ito lang ang masasabi ko kahit na binigay ito sa akin, but this is an honest review. I observed that mga 1 week after, hindi po siya naging brightening ang naging effect sa akin kasi nagiging a little brownish po ang aking face while I use this foam wash. The glowing effect meron kasi moisturized ang face ko. Parang Korean glass skin but hindi lang naging brightening effect sa akin. Yan lang ang aking masasabi but the rest check siya sa akin. Maybe ganun lang talaga ang naging effect sa aking skin. But the rest, superb. Okay na okay siya. And aside from that, super swak sa budget for this 100 ml. You can buy this at Watson's nearest you, online, in Shopee and Lazada. And also, meron din silang Fresh Philippines flagship store in Shopee and Lazada for only 199 pesos. And sometimes ngayon, I checked the Shopee shop of Fresh Philippines. This one is only 190 pesos. So sometimes meron silang price reduction because nagbibigay sila ng sale. So, hintay-hintay kayo sa mga sale. Diba, 9 pesos is more than enough. But the regular price is 199 for this 100 ml. That's about it for today's video. I hope you like this video and enjoy kayo sa ating honest review of this Jejualoeice 3-in-1 Niacinamide Dark Spot Foam Wash from Fresh Philippines. Remember, do good and good will come to you. May all our dreams come true. Thank you for watching, beautiful people.